Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Gonzales, and welcome to our week 2 of our distance learning curve for all of us, right? So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to guide you through the different steps for you to be able to log on to the Google Classroom and find the assignments that are going to be assigned to you for every week. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here and I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see exactly where you're going to go to find your assignments. So hold on, just let me go ahead and click on this here. Okay, so what I have here on my screen, I have when you log on to my NISD portal, this is what you're going to see, right? I have a lot more icons. I have a lot more activities that I have, but the one you're mainly going to be using is Google Classroom. Okay, so you're going to click on the Google Classroom, and it's going to take you to your page with all of your different classrooms. Your PE has made a classroom for you. STEM has made a classroom for you. Reading, PE, music, they've all made a classroom for you, okay? So you need to click onto their links also so that you can see what they've assigned you. But mine is right here, ours is right here, 1920 Gonzales. If you see this little icon of Mrs. Gonzales, then you're in the right classroom, okay? And I'm no longer gonna be posting any assignments in this page here. You're going to be in the stream. This is where I'm going to be posting any announcements, newsletters, everything, morning messages. They're all going to be here in the stream. But for your classwork, any assignments that you're going to have, anything that Mrs. Gonzales is going to want you to make sure that you go through in your reading, in your math, and in your subjects, you're going to go to classwork. So up here you have these tabs. Yours might be a little bit different, but the one you want to make sure that you click on is a classwork right there. And the way they're organized is that they're by week. So if you see right here, it says reading week 2, March 29th through April 3rd. Math week 2, March 29th through April 3rd. Writing week 2, March 29th through April 3rd. Science week 2, and then you have all of your different folders here, and they all have your assignments. And you also see all of your discovery teachers here. Even Miss Moore has her library time here. If you click here, she has a little newsletter for you. This is her message from her. And then she has different information for you guys to go ahead and look at. And there's some small little assignments that she might have. And she's going to be looking to see who's been able to turn in some questions or assignments, whatever she may have for you. She's going to have it here. But your discovery people, your discovery teachers, they're also going to have assignments for you. Here's PE, Ms. Ramos and Coach Imbria. You have, let me see, you have Miss Mac. You also have STEM, you have music, all of your discovery teachers are going to be here also. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the reading week 2. And here for the reading week 2, it says every content that I have made has a student guide. Okay, I'm using the district student guide. Whatever activities and lessons they had in their assignments, I went ahead and I put them in here. Okay, this is the same thing. It's just a little bit more user friendly. You don't have to go to so many links. I put them all, organize them all to where you can just get them from the Google classwork. So basically what you have here is that you're reading, and it says here week of March 30. Look at the response question. So you want to click here before you read your story. And it's a PowerPoint, and it's just going to give you information about, you know, how to read informational text and what to be able to look for when you're looking for informational text. What features do informational text actually have? So they want you to notice, they want you to generate questions, connect, and respond. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, it's going to have a response journal. And so I've already created a Google slide for you guys to go ahead and respond to whatever the questions are in the story. Okay? So make sure you read this one first. This is going to be the PowerPoint that they want you to read first. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next assignment. And then right here, it tells you to go ahead and read the story of the week. So right here, you click on read right here. This is the story that you're going to be reading for the week. You click on read, and it's going to take you to the Pearson page. All you have to do is just follow the links. Whatever it's asking you to do, you go ahead and enter the link that they want you to go. And it's going to take you to the page here. It's loading over here. See, so here it is. And all you have to do is just read whatever it's asking you to do. You can go through these right here, but they're not going to be, it's not anything that I'm going to assign you to do. But you can click on them just so you can preview the vocabulary. It'll tell you what unique is, and you can go through this, play around with it. It's not something that I'm requiring or that's something I'm going to be expecting you, but you can definitely go through them. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the story. And then it has a connection, it has more prefixes, and it has a set to. We're supposed to assign you 2 tasks in writing, 2 tasks in math, and 2 tasks in reading. For science and social studies, we have to have 1 task. And the discovery team also the discovery teachers have to have 1 task for you per week, okay? So the only way that we know that you're completing these assignments is by you going through the different assignments that we give you, okay? So for this one, this is the reading and all of the assignments. I have a quizzes for you. And it's going to be having to be completed at the end of the week. If you click on it today, if you click on it tomorrow, it's not going to let you join the game. Because you have to go through all the readings of the week. You have to make sure that you've read the stories. Remember, you read them as many times as you need to read the story before you answer any questions. You're going to have to do your journal responses. And then on Friday at 8 o'clock in the morning, I've set it up to where that's when you can actually take the quiz, okay? And it's all about the reading that you're going to have for the week. So that's one activity. I'm going to go back here. And let me go to the next activity. Let me see right here. So another activity here. I'm going to go back here. Another activity that you have is the reader response. And you do the same thing. You click on the link and you just type in, you go here. And everybody, I made a copy for everybody, so everybody has their very own copy. You don't have to make any copies. You just type in whatever you're responding to the questions that are here. For example, notice how the text similar to and different from each other. Answer the question, what are you noticing there? Generate questions. What questions do you have about the topic? Normally when we read something, more questions come up on our pop-up when we're reading about something. So jot those down. Use this as a journal link to be able to jot those thoughts down, okay? And then do the connect and the respond. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna submit it to Mrs. Gonzales. And then for the math, it's the same thing. It has a math student guide from March 29 through April 30. I'm gonna click on this one and it's gonna tell me, it's gonna take me to the same page, but now it's in math. And it's going to give me all of the assignments that I need to do for the week. And look, just follow the assignments. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. We're going to continue to do our ST math. You want to go ahead and we want to make sure that everybody's logging onto their ST math for 90 minutes a week. Okay. And I want to keep us with the same routine. I want us to make sure that every Tuesday and every Thursday we're logging on for 45 minutes. If it's Monday, if it's Wednesday, if it's Friday, or for some reason you cannot log on Tuesday or Thursday, you can definitely log on anytime you want. But I want to make sure that we are logging on for the 90 minutes. If you see right here, it says 90 minutes. 4th grade has to be on for 90 minutes, okay? So we're going to continue that. I was checking those over the weekend, and I've seen we didn't hit our 90 minutes, however, we were really close. Okay, we were at 70 minutes. So just keep on trying, keep on working on that. I mean, when and if you have some extra time, yes, go ahead and log on. If you want to do more than 90 minutes, that's going to be perfectly fine also. And then I have your activities for your math. We're going to be learning about protractors. It has a video. It has also at the end of the week, there's another quizzes, but it's not until the end of the week. That's after you've gone through the videos, after you've read everything that you need to read about protractors. Okay. And then we have the writing. The writing is the same. We're going to continue with our Wonderopolis. We've been doing Wonderopolis for a while. We would logging on to Seesaw to be able to do our Wonderopolis, but we're going to go ahead and go to the Google Classroom, and it's the same format. You just go ahead and you follow day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. Okay. So if you click here, it'll tell you day 1, click on Wonderopolis link and read all about it. Okay. This is the Wonderopolis right here. And it's going to give you the poem. It's going to tell you what do you want to know about it. You click on it and it's going to take you straight to the poem here, or not to the poem, but what an acrostic poem is. If you click on the vocabulary, hover your mouse over it, and it's going to tell you what the vocabulary is. But this is something that, you know, I mean, we've been doing already in the classroom. And then here's an example from the Wonderopolis. They have a little example on an acrostic poem. If you click on it, it'll take you straight to the acrostic poem that they've created, okay? So this is your, let me see, let me get right here. So that's that. I'm gonna go back, and you have the same for your science, and you have the same for your social studies. Do not forget to get into the discovery classes, okay? They're also gonna have to give you not a grade, but they're gonna have to give you points for logging in and doing some of their assignments also, some of their tasks and their activities, okay? So today, boys and girls, today at 10 o'clock, to this morning at 10 o'clock, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna Google Chat. We're gonna Google Chat. I've already sent you through the stream. I've sent an announcement. Let me take you back over there. I've sent the announcement through the Google stream. I'm gonna take you there again. Right here on the stream, I have a little announcement that says, welcome to week 2 of our distance learning. Before you begin on any of the assignments for this week, I have set up a Google Hangout chat for this morning, Monday, March 29th at 10 o'clock. Click on the link to connect to the Hangout. I'll be waiting for everyone to connect. See you at 10. Just click on this link, boys and girls. And what's going to happen is that on the side, when you click on the link, you're going to join the meeting. And right here on the little side right here is going to be a chat box. And I just want you to say, good morning, Mrs. Gonzales, or good morning, everyone. This is Jaylyn. Good morning, everyone. This is Alexis. Good morning, everyone. Just type in and we'll just be chatting. Remember, this chat, this Google Hangout chat is only for our assignments. It's not about to tell anybody how you ran into the wall when you were trying to go to the bathroom or whatever. But, you know, I mean, just know that this is going to be only for assignments. So at 10 o'clock today, I'm going to be logging on. At 10 o'clock this morning, I'm going to be logging on. And if you have any questions that you have on any of the assignments, on anything that we're doing, this is the time that you're going to ask it. Okay? All right. See you at 10, boys and girls. Bye.